urgent top 4 Saudi to embark offshore 759. We have a master, minimum 24 months, anchor handling tax supply vessels, same rank. Then English 80% Marlins score, and you could have 70, but please learn English. Then wages $300 per day and rotation 90 days on, 60 off. Teammate, minimum 24 months, anchor handling same as before. Then the Marlins same as the master, the captain, wages $200, then 90, 60 also. Chief engineer, 24 months also on board, anchor handling tax supply. Then Marlins same, which is from 80 to 70 Marlins English. Then $270 per day, 90 roster, and then we have, I believe it's 90-60, sorry. And then second engineer is minimum 12 months. It's less than the other 3 top ranks. Then English Marlins 70 maximum, 60 lowest. So please learn English if you want to get value. Then this is the most important, I think, lesson we have learned since COVID is train yourself, work hard, learn. No one can take away from you all the training you get and all the knowledge you get to you. Therefore, wage $110 per day, yes, and 90-60 rosters. Contact Candina urgently because we have these requirements urgent for Saudi Arabia and the huge company that is looking forward to unite, strengthen the strategic talent long term for the top 4 officers. Thank you. Bye.